Hey guys, it's your girl Cyn. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, my hair is completely different because I am about to cut my hair tomorrow. But before I cut my hair, I have to go to a Laura Mercier event down on South Beach. So I am making my way down to South Beach now, and I also wanted to take you guys with me, just, you know, why not? But I wanted to take you guys with me so you guys can get the full experience. I am a Laura Mercier influencer, so they did invite me to a new event that they're having down in South Beach for the pure canvas primers that are coming out. So they have these new primers coming out, and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. They actually sent me their whole collection, and it's absolutely beautiful. I want to take you guys, so let's go. Thank you.
Are you coming for the Laura Mercier event? What's your name?
Cynthia.
Cynthia Roy?
Yes.
Awesome. And you are with Juan Carlos?
Thank you.
If you can, this is a little quiz for you. We will test out what's the best primer for you.
Okay. Can I film? Because I'm filming for my channel.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Thank you.
Take pictures.
Thank you. So who am I with again?
You are with Juan Carlos.
Okay. I don't know who that is. Juan Carlos.
Sorry, hi, I'm Chris from
Hi. How are you?
I'm well, thanks. How are you?
I'm good.
I'm loving this.
Thank you. I'm from Miami, so.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
She's with Juan Carlos at 2 p.m.
Perfect.
So you also film after you finish the test.
Yeah.
You can also go just come to the bar so you can get the primer.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
Let me just
put
do
it back.
first. Okay, thank you so much.
Do you want a drink or anything?
Sure.
So we've got a bar here. So you can get a drink, and then I'll take you over to Juan Carlos.
Okay.
I think he's free right now.
Thank you so much.
Alcoholic or non-alcoholic?
Alcoholic, please.
Alcoholic. Yep. What's your choice of poison?
What do you guys have? Oh, tequila.
Tequila.
Yes.
We got the blurring one there, so it's based on our blurring primer.
Okay.
Because there's nothing more blurring than tequila.
Okay.
cocktail.
Amazing.
I'll grab them and I'll take them away if you can start a blurring cocktail. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'll take these away. And,
So if you could just I recommended foundation shade.
They're super cute. Popsicle. What type of popsicles do you guys have?
Strawberry, vanilla, and the other colors, I don't know.
The other colors, wait, which one is this one?
I don't know, it's possible
I can double check
blackberry.
the.
I'll take this one.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me
not
double
sure.
check that.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi. Can I get a perfecting? Okay.
Thank you for having me.
Before we start, why don't we actually select I'm feeling like your little guy over here.
Okay.
Anything different, anything that... So we're going to set a little bit of the concealer.
just left the Laura Mercier event and they gave me this goodie bag, so I just wanted to open it up so you guys can see actually what they gave me. The event was absolutely amazing and absolutely beautiful. They did my makeup looked absolutely amazing. So I'm going to open up this goodie bag and show you guys what they actually gave me. So Laura Mercier gave me this Pure Canvas Primer Illuminating Illuminator. They gave me this Pure Canvas Protecting Broad Spectrum. I guess this is a very this is an SPF actually. I actually need this because I actually went to Brazil, so this will be perfect for my skin for those hot temperatures. They gave me another illuminating translucent powder, which I do have at home, but it doesn't hurt to have another. They gave me the Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation, which I am going to try. He actually tried this on me while he was actually doing a demo on my face, and I actually like this. I'm so used to my LA Pro Girl concealer, but I actually am excited to use this concealer. They gave me this nude lipstick. I am a red type of girl, and this is Nude Noir, but I actually love this nude, and I can't wait to actually use it. Oh my god, I just chipped it. The last thing they gave me is this highlighter in Addiction. I love this highlighter. It goes on sheer, but you can build it up. I can't wait to use this when I go on vacation because the finish is so silky and smooth and buttery, and I can't wait to actually use it. So this is the highlighter that they actually gave me, and that's all that they gave me in the goodie bag, and I'm so appreciative because I wasn't expecting a goodie bag, but the goodie bag was actually super amazing. It came with about 6 or 7 products in the actual goodie bag. So this is the highlighter, and I can't wait to try it. And the last thing they gave me was a lip pencil, and this is in Rosewood. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a nude color. Like I said before, I'm not into nudes, but I will absolutely be using this color just to line my lips before I actually put any other color on my lip, because this color is absolutely beautiful. This is the last thing that came in the goodie bag, which I did not realize that they gave me